there's a raccoon that comes up and does his whole...
Oh, he does a dance number for you?
Call, yeah, because he wants you to feed him.
Get here.
Yeah.
Automatic dance number. Alligators must have eaten the raccoon.
You sure you need your purses?
Huh?
Of what? Sure you need your purse?
I have my water in my purse. Yeah, nice. I will do that too.
There's always a gift store on the way out, you know.
This is not Disney.
Sure?
I'm positive.
He's positive. This is not Disney.
Whole bunch of alligators.
Wait when one comes and asks for $1. And you would be glad that you have your person.
Time to read some signage.
We had to walk back the other way.
Scan to activate your interactive map.
Really? Yeah, that's not a good idea.
Well, it would have been okay, but there was a lot of other people around.
Don't approach the alligator. That's what I've been doing wrong all these years.
She said she jumped a couple.
Don't harass or attempt to get alligator to move.
Yeah, that'd be...
Okay.
You jump and that's just one push.
Remember not to harass alligators.
Okay, I
What
will.
about if the
Who said
alligator
you
harasses
right?
mom because, you know, and Karen because they got their purse and mom's worried about, you know, Wally Gator wanting $1.
They're going to pay off the alligator. And get them on our side. Smartphone. Was this stuff here last time?
Yeah.
I remember this stuff. Take a guided tour. Interesting, interesting. I like this natural pavement. Is this from the Cretaceous period?
From the dinosaur era, that's all the eggs. The little ones.
The neighbor from Bruce up there.
Ooh, our first animal.
We had this goose in the bull
Another
area,
squirrel.
bull area, because that goose we wanted to actually have it for Christmas, ne? Well, yeah, but we go fast.
God, I love these trees. Look at how big this thing is. You could just jump right up on there, make your little tent or something,
Okay.
and just live here. I think these two trees just look like the never-ending story part where the laser eyes come out and they hit you or whatever. Was that what never-ending story? Remember?
Laser eyes. Oh, yeah.
There's those two pillars and you can only go through if you do something right. I don't remember the movie very well.
I don't remember very well either.
It's been
But yeah, you have
since
to
the
be
80s.
fast.
You have to be
And then not
fast.
with laser.
Okay, well, we're gonna watch that tonight.
I don't know if I want that trauma. Oh, come on.
This is one we normally see turtles in.
No, a whole lot of nothing today.
Yeah.
Except for birds, but nobody wants to see birds. I mean, let me say it again. I feel bad for the people that don't have hats on.
Yeah, I know. Those poor people.
It's battering down on us. And they're not wearing hats.
I got a hat.
That's a hand. Aw, your man was like, oh, I'll give you my hat. Never mind, I'm taking it back. Not, you didn't do it fast enough.
Yep.
He was going to give you your hat, but no.
I'm good.
Which way are we going? Straight?
That's right. Straight.
Okay.
Hiding. That's something to hiding. There's a piggy. A piggy.
Something got eaten and then they pooped it out.
Very nice.
The circle of life.
Aber der Snapping Turtle. Oh, ich habe mir doch gedacht, der hat ausschaut wie ein Snapping Turtle.
Everything we have not seen yet. Pretty interesting looking stumps. A couple over here too. They look like little Smurf houses, but they're not mushrooms. It's like they just decided to come together and congregate right there and talk to each other. Weird. Let's see, can we zoom in on this side? No. Got the bikes coming. Not easily.
Ja,
That is bigger than I can go side to side to. Bigger than my wingspan. Do you have a Red Bull?
Red Bull? No.
Give me wings.
Where's your 12-foot cover? I'm happy with that. Look at that's what makes me happy. There's another one down there, and he's like, tail towards the trail. But,
Things right between us. Found a rock, did you?
she'll be back someday.
She'll be back someday for that rock. I'm floating out there.
This one coming across. Like this, it was only a kiss. It's the most excitement we've had on the trail today. I'll let you eat. He's eating his sushi and we'll have ours later.
Yes.
These guys are waiting on the bus over here.
Yeah, one thing. Stone's out, the other one's.
The B line or the V line comes here. Circle V, right?
C.
B, C. What?
C.
You sure it's not B?
It's B,
Ah,
like Bob.
we skipped a couple of letters in the alphabet. And I'm like this, it was only a guess. Did it only a guess? Get wildlife around here. No wildlife likes to be pointed at, Karen. And Mom, who just pointed at something and it flew it away. And she blamed it on me for going. Pretend that every time I spit a little bit, like right there, my DNA is right there, and in a couple thousand million years, there'll be another Roger sprouting right there. And there's going to be more Riding with Roger channels.
That's the wrong kind of DNA.
It's a good DNA. It's an okay DNA.
I put more rock in
Ooh,
the one that's facing that.
it's the tail. I like big butts and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. Alright. Got a nice little spot there. It's like a bed for an alligator. Oh yeah, I see another one. I see it. Okay. What is that thing? What can we do with weather? It's a weather thing?
Feels good on your ankles, doesn't it?
Yeah.
We could have been twinning today.
Ja, ich hätte die anderen nehmen können, die wären besser, weil die sind vorne etwas weiter. Ja. Etwas runter. Ja. Habe ich vorhin zum Milch gesagt. Ich hätte die anderen nehmen können. It's not uncommon. Ja. Die liegen gerne in der Sonne.
Mhm. What'd you say?
This is where we normally see a lot of squirrels.
Oh. Squirrel. It's like they decided to go on holiday and go to some other country
Yeah.
for vacation. Ooh.
Yeah, they would clean it too.
Guess not. There he goes. He just wanted to cross the road.
He's not shy. He or she, I don't know.
You have people. You're not gonna do anything to them.
You sure?
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sandy. It's a SpongeBob reference.
Yes, it is.
All right, we're on our way out, and we got a hawk on the way out. If it'll focus, I don't know. I can't see it very well, but there he is, saying goodbye to us. Bye-bye.
Drank some.
Oh, you did drink some? Okay.
I did.
But I'm glad you took the extra 20 pounds of purse with you.
Thank you.
Nobody saw you drink any, so doesn't count. Ooh, back on this flooring.